Hello everyone, this is Gemini Jets 1975 coming to you from snowy San Antonio. It's snowing less heavy than it was earlier, been about 2 hours, and it's accumulating quite a bit on the ground. So yeah, this is absolutely crazy. Temperature's about 12-13 degrees. Probably have a good inch. Over here on the road, there's the sidewalk and here's the curb. So it's almost completely, it's crazy. I can't believe this. But yes, very, very crazy. Beautiful, but yes, so yeah, I thought I would make a video. If you watched my video from a few years ago, it was nothing like this, but yes, so absolutely crazy. And there's even some leaves because these are the live oak trees. Absolutely crazy.